Terra's SoleCleaner automatic sticky mat systems address the challenges of manual strip and peel mats. SoleCleaner automatically refreshes the adhesive surface, eliminating constant monitoring and manual intervention while keeping workflows uninterrupted. The 20-inch by 33-inch sticky mat section captures particles from both shoes and carts. Once the surface is soiled, the roller system pulls the contaminated sheet into a containment area, reducing waste buildup and simplifying disposal. An easy-to-use touchscreen interface displays pass counts, usage thresholds, and system status. SoleCleaner models are built from corrosion-resistant 304 stainless steel with a low-profile ramp for smooth movement of personnel and carts without interruptions. Replacing the adhesive roll is simple. Each lightweight 7-pound roll provides about 100 surface changes, reducing maintenance compared to manually peeling individual mats. Browse Terra Universal's SoleCleaner systems online or contact us for assistance with your purchase.